What's your name?
Yeah, I'm Gurleen Khokar, a psychologist from Chandigarh. My father's from the Air Force background, who served as the chief pilot of our current Prime Minister of the nation, Narendra Modi.
What is the best thing you find in New Delhi World Book Fair 2026?
Well, there are a lot many things that I noticed. I feel that people here are very friendly, and the book fair is doing exceptionally well because the the segments are clearly demarcated, very well set up and organized. And I feel everybody can get a hands-on experience in asking for help if they require to ask for any book that they need according to their discipline.
What is the best thing you find in New Delhi World Book Fair 2026?
I like all the different kind of books that you can find here, from like Hindi literature to all the different foreign books that you can get here. Like we have the Book and Literature House here, so you get a very new exposure to different kind of culture as well as literature.
Do you know any Arabic word?
Oh, well, yes, I love Arabic and I love Shukran. The word says thank you, and I feel honored to know Arabic. And I also have fond memories of my being a child, going on and flipping Arabic books a lot, and the dress they wear. So, yes.
Do you know any Arabic word?
Yeah, I do know some Arabic words.
What is this?
I know Habibi, Mashallah.
What do you know about Dubai?
Well, Dubai is a place which should be visited by everybody who wants to grow in life because it has an enriching culture full of love and full of humbleness where I feel you can feel free to explore your avenues in the work area. So, Dubai is for someone who wants to explore life, and make something about their own. So, own independent identity is a must, and Abu Dhabi is a great place to be.
What do you know about Dubai?
I know that there are very rich people there. It's a very rich lifestyle with all the Arabs there.
Have you visited Dubai anytime?
No,
Have you visited the Qatar stall here in New Delhi World Book Fair 2026?
Oh yes, and it was wonderful. The kahava they are giving, it's a must. Everybody should have the kahava because it's a wonderful hospitality beverage that I believe everyone should savor, and it gives healing properties to the body also. For the digestive system, it's very good. And I believe if you are here in this book fair, if you have not tasted kahava, you should hit that stall and drink it. You'll feel it, the warmth in the winters. What more you need?
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome.